Okay, this is our completed job. The battery box is sealed. Would have preferred to hide that top portion, but you know what? We counted on the good graces of the carpentry department of the business we're doing this in, and they did a fantastic job. So I'm grateful and thankful to them. As you can see, here our system has NEPA coming in, and the batteries are in absorption, and our charge controller is in float. Let me turn NEPA off, and you see what happens. Okay, here is about to turn. There's a breaker. The breaker has NEPA. Here is input, and here is output. So let me turn it off, and you see what happens. In milliseconds, is switched to the inverter. So people out there have very sensitive equipment running, and they do not notice anything going on. Here is our system. We're pulling only 127 watts, 128 watts. When they print, they pull up to 1,000. When the machines are on, they're pulling about 350, 400. Now we've switched back to NEPA, and the batteries are in absorption, so it's only 8 watts being put into the battery, and you could see. So this is one of our pretty easy installations using lithium-ion batteries, and we're very, very excited. So I hope you liked what you see. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them below. If you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please do so. This is Dr. Solar coming to you from Jos, Nigeria. So this is why we put solar in this building. These guys are doing some tests, right? Okay, do you care to share what you're doing?
Okay. We're carrying out analysis using the EDSRF to carry out elemental analysis or elemental composition of the sample that is being brought to the center by the clients. Okay. Yes. So that is what we're doing now.
So what
to load the sample?
Okay.
Yes. Before we load them into the machine.
And that's the machine.
Already working on solar. We are trying to load the sample.
So what advantage does having solar bring to you?
Well, I would say constant power, which is very, very necessary for us to be able to operate the machine.
Okay.
Yes. So having a stable power supply without interruption makes it more efficient.
I'm glad to hear that. I'm very, very glad to hear that. This makes my day. It makes it, and this is the generator you used to use. So now this generator, it says semi-silent, will now be permanently silent, have you? Okay. And Oga, I see you tamping something on a piece of paper and with tissue.
Yes, sir.
What are you trying to accomplish? Or what
I tap it so that the sample will get compacted.
Okay, so you're compacting the sample.
Yes.
Okay.
So that you remove the air spaces that's within the sample.
Okay, and then you stick it into that machine down there.
Yes.
Okay. Well, keep up the good work. And IT students, you can say hello if you're involved. You can wave. Go ahead, wave. They won't bite you. This is going to be on my personal YouTube page. No, the company YouTube page. And you'll also be on the company Facebook page. So smile and look good.